Welcome to TestHQ. If you're applying to IE University for a master's or MBA program, you'll likely face the ieGAT, IE Global Admissions Test. In this video, we'll explain what the test looks like, what skills it measures, and how you can prepare to pass with confidence. What is the ieGAT? The ieGAT is an admissions test designed by IE University. It helps the admissions team assess your ability to think logically, analyze data, and make decisions under pressure, skills you'll need in a demanding academic and professional environment. What does the test measure? The ieGAT evaluates your cognitive, analytical, and decision-making abilities. You'll face a mix of question types, often bundled together in one test with no sections clearly separated. It covers numerical reasoning, verbal reasoning, logical reasoning, format and timing. The ieGAT is adaptive and time-limited. You'll typically have 1.5 to 2 hours to complete a series of tasks that blend numerical, logical, and verbal reasoning. You cannot go back to previous questions, and each one is timed, so time management is crucial. Question types you'll see: numerical reasoning. Analyze charts, tables, and figures. Expect questions on percentages, ratios, and data trends. Tip: know how to interpret data quickly and calculate without a calculator. Verbal reasoning. You'll read a short passage and answer questions based on it. Tip: focus on what is stated, not what you assume. Logical reasoning. Pattern recognition, sequencing, and logical puzzles. Tip: spot relationships like cause and effect, hierarchy, or classification. Sample question breakdown. Here's a quick example. Sample question: numerical. If a company's sales grew from €2.5 million to €3.2 million in 1 year, what is the percentage increase? A. 28%. B. 25%. C. 30%. D. 22%. Correct answer A. Explanation: €3.2 million to €2.5 million, /2.5 million equals 0.2828% increase. But remember, ieGAT questions are designed to test how fast and accurately you can work this out. Sample question: verbal. Corporate governance. Internal audit oversight. All regional divisions at Tenvara Corporation are required to undergo an internal audit review annually. This review is overseen by the Central Compliance Team, which ensures that local procedures align with global risk management standards. Where audits are not completed on-site, Tenvara utilizes secure remote auditing technology to complete the assessment. Board committees. Tenvara's board of directors includes 3 major committees: the Audit Committee, the Risk Committee, and the Ethics and Governance Committee. These committees function independently and report directly to the board to ensure transparency and oversight in all decision-making processes. Whistleblower policy. Tenvara encourages staff at all levels to report ethical concerns. Its whistleblower platform allows employees to file anonymous reports, which are investigated confidentially. This system helps to maintain ethical standards and prevent potential legal or financial risks. Annual reporting. The company publishes a corporate governance report each fiscal year, summarizing key actions taken by board committees, audit outcomes, risk mitigation measures, and improvements to its ethical compliance framework. Statement. It is implied that all internal audits at Tenvara are conducted in person at regional offices. A. True. B. False. C. Cannot say. Correct answer, B. False. Explanation: the passage explicitly states that where on-site audits are not completed, Tenvara uses secure remote auditing technology. This means not all audits are done in person, and the company has alternative systems in place. Thus, the statement is false. Test-taking tips. Tip 1. Pace yourself. Each question is timed, don't get stuck on one. Tip 2. Practice multitasking. The test switches from data to logic to words. Sharpen your mental agility. Tip 3. Use elimination. Narrow down choices quickly, especially when running out of time. Tip 4. Stay calm under pressure. The ieGAT isn't just a test of intelligence, it's a test of composure. How to prepare. Want to get ahead? At TestHQ.com, you'll find a full ieGAT practice pack including realistic practice questions, detailed explanations for every answer, tips to improve your speed and accuracy. Practice with the tools that match the actual test environment and boost your confidence. The ieGAT is tough, but it's absolutely beatable with the right strategy. It's about being sharp, focused, and well prepared. Please visit TestHQ.com today to start practicing. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below if you want us to dive deeper into specific question types. Thanks for watching and good luck on your path to IE University.